Welcome to QuickHub. In this video, we'll show you how to use the bulk edit feature in QuickHub, allowing you to update multiple business details like working hours, attributes, and images all at once. Start by opening QuickHub and go to the dashboard page. From the sidebar, click on Primary Details to view your business listings. Now, select the checkboxes next to the businesses you want to update under Working Hours. Click on the Bulk Edit button. Set your business, opening and closing hours for all selected businesses. Once done, click Save to apply the changes. Next, click on Attributes from the menu. Select the checkboxes for the businesses you want to edit. Click on the Bulk Edit button again. Now, choose the attributes you want to update, such as service options or accessibility features. Click Save to apply these updates to all selected businesses. Now, move to the Images section. Select the checkboxes for the businesses you want to edit. Click on Bulk Edit, then click on the Browse File button. Select the image files you'd like to upload, for example, your logo, storefront, or promotional images. Once uploaded, click Save to apply the images across all selected businesses. After saving, QuickHub will automatically update all selected businesses with the new working hours, attributes, and images, saving you time and effort with just a few clicks. And that's it! You've successfully used the bulk edit feature in QuickHub to manage multiple businesses efficiently. Stay tuned for more QuickHub tutorials to help you simplify and automate your workflow.